Let's understand what's going on behind the scene of JavaScript engine. So I'm going to define a simple function and return something like an object. And this console.log and current function, and let's see what will happen when I write like this. Okay, as you can see here, it's what it's giving me. It's undefined, unreachable code after return statement. What is going on in this? When I hit enter after this, like this, when I already did it, then what JavaScript engine do? It just itself put semicolon here. So what is going on when controls go here, then the function return nothing. It have nothing, so it's go back outside the function and leave this as it is. So what when I put like this, if I not hit enter and just put like this, you can do this because as you can see, this is open curly braces and closing here is braces. So when I put like this, you can see here it's return the object. So when it's a good practice to always use when you write a function for loop, start curly braces from this it's line. Okay, don't put like this.